Hey viewers and subscribers, I hope you're all having a good day. Today I want to talk to you about a feeling that many of us experience at some point in our life, feeling like a loser. Imagine you have worked tirelessly towards a goal, pouring out your heart and soul into it, only to face failure time and time again. You're not alone. Many of us have been there, feeling like everything we touch crumble to dust. But today I'm here to tell you that you are not a loser, even though you may be feeling like one right now. I'm going to show you that you are stronger and more capable than you realize, and your breakthrough might be just around the corner. First of all, let me just say it loud and clear. You are not a loser. It is a label that our minds put on us during tough times, but it doesn't define who we are or our worth. Maybe you are comparing yourself to others, or someone, a parent or a partner is putting you down and comparing you to others. Feeling like a failure can be caused by the fact that others are criticizing you. They tell you what you should be doing in your life and where you should have reached by now. However, some doors that we knock on is not for us to enter. I remember a time in my life where I was just at that place, and where everything I tried failed. There seems to be a blockage. After many attempts to get a job, despite being qualified, I face constant rejection, and believe me, money was tight. One day I was laying in my sofa and, I received a phone call from an agency to visit a school that urgently needed a teacher. I attended the interview, but, before going to the interview, I kept saying, oh my goodness, this is going to be another failure. Because, when you've been rejected for so long, you get into the mindset that you're actually, not doing that well. I attended the interview and I came out of that with a well-paid job without any effort. Sometimes what is for us will come without effort. I didn't knock on that door, but somewhere the universe opened that door for me, and the agency would just match your qualifications to the jobs that are out there. But I never expected to get that job. Before this, I had helped a brother who was in a difficult situation. He wasn't my partner. We were just friends, and I saw that he was in a difficult situation and I really wanted to help him. I gave him money to visit his sick mother in another country. That was the bulk of my savings, and I didn't have a job at that time, as I said, but look how God rewarded me. This isn't to say that you need to do something like this, but it shows that sometimes good deeds come back to us in unexpected ways. Feelings of failure can lead to depression and anxiety and low self-esteem. Failing can be very distressing. It gives rise to negative thoughts about yourself, and it makes you feel like giving up and increases your stress level. But you are not alone. It is natural to feel disappointed when you set out, to achieve a goal and you do not achieve it. Remember, as I said before, not every door we knock is for us. Remember my experience going to that interview. Everybody makes mistakes and can fail at certain tasks. Your pain will eventually or can eventually lead you to your purpose. Your mind will begin to work harder. Your pain, your frustration may lead you to your purpose. Just think you could get a book out of this situation. A book may come from your experience. You could also end up being a motivation for someone else who's going through failure when you've actually managed to get out of it. Try to think about the next step, what you can do. How can you turn it into cash if you're in a situation where you cannot find a job? Never give up, but keep hoping and praying if you're a praying person. Keep the faith and don't give up. What is meant for you will come in due time, even if it seems to be taking forever. Try to shift your focus from what you think you're lacking and to what you have achieved so far. Celebrate your small victories. Sometimes we focus on what we haven't done or what we haven't got, and we forget to appreciate what we have accomplished. Try to surround yourself with people who can have a huge impact on your mindset. Stay close to those who uplift you, believe in you, and encourage you to be your best self. Don't bottle up your feelings. Talk to someone who you can trust and tell them how you're feeling. Sometimes just voicing your thoughts can make a huge difference and help you to see things more clearly. They may even point you in a direction that will help you with the problems that you're facing. Success is not a final destination, but a continuous journey. It's not easy. Feelings of failure and actually failing is all part of the human experience. And I understand how a person can be affected by this situation. We have to find ways to cope. We cannot give up. As my grandmother used to say, nothing beats a failure more than a trial. We have to keep trying in order to beat failure. Try not to compare yourself with others. They are unique. They are different. They're on a different journey. You don't know what they went through or if they will later lose that success. Focus on yourself and think of ways to get out of the gutter of failure and lack. When all else fails, try God, but don't give up. Your success could be just around the corner. Success, as I said before, is not a final destination. It's a journey that we're on. Remember, feeling like a loser is a temporary state of mind. It doesn't define who you are or what you're capable of. You have the strength within you to overcome any challenge and rise above the setback. Stay strong and positive and believe in yourself. You are capable of amazing things and your journey is unique and valuable. Keep pushing forward and remember, you are not alone and you're definitely not a loser. I know at this time that, it's very difficult, especially if you're in a situation where you've been affected by the latest storms in Jamaica. You've lost everything. You don't know where your help is coming from. It is a devastating situation. So at this time, I know it's very difficult to see where you're going to go from here. But what I say to people usually, if everything else fails, try God. We need divine intervention in some cases. In cases where we cannot help ourselves, we need to turn to the Creator for sustenance. So thank you all for watching and taking the time to join me on this journey. I hope this message resonated with you and provided some comfort and motivation. Remember, no matter how tough things get, you have the strength and resilience to overcome challenges. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need to hear this, and subscribe to the channel for more inspirational content. Keep strong, keep believing in yourself, and never give up your dreams. We are all in this together. We can rise above the obstacles. So until next time, take care and stay positive and keep pushing forward. You are not alone. You're definitely not a loser. So see you in the next video. One love.